Don't have a model. I feel like I can make this. Oh my god, guess what I just saw? This is artichoke at the, this is a master gardener's garden. And hey, không có đạp lên đó, Bernard. And yeah, so this is artichoke. So it didn't die, and it doesn't look like they protected it. It doesn't look like they protected it. So I'm so hopeful right now. There's like so much hope in my heart right now. Oh no no no! Okay, really press down on the soil. So do you see that? So for perspective. So I didn't show this the other day, but these are also cuttings, and I need to transplant this because there's multiple plants. It's dormant right now, so it's perfect time. I'm going to transplant some of this in the front yard. So that's on the bucket list. And this, I'm not sure where this fell from. Let's see if it's still alive. So I've been weeding a little bit, so my nails are dirty. It looks dead. Chết hay là sống, Bernard? Chết hay là sống? Hả? Bernard tưới nước hả? Tưới nước hả? Hết nước rồi.